Hello guys, let's start today G test route at Gulf Drive Test Center. So let's start. Examiner will ask you make a right turn from here. Make sure you go a little bit forward and check left right, and then whenever it is safe, make a right turn. Keep it like that. So take it easy. Over here it's like 25 to 30 kilometers per hour, and go straight, and examiner will ask you make a left turn from here. So stop at the corner, check left right, and whenever it is safe, you can go. Don't do rush guys, take it easy. Whenever you make a left turn, keep it in the left lane, go to the right by yourself. Signal, mirror and blind spot, and turn it off. Now examiner will tell you make a right turn from the traffic lights. So whenever you have a red light, please stop completely. Okay, please stop completely. Do not cross the white line, and look for the traffic from the left side and the pedestrian as well. Okay, so keep it like that. Whenever you feel safe or it's clear, you can go, but the traffic is coming, we will wait. Okay, so guys, please look for the pedestrian and the traffic. Okay, and one more thing, all the lanes should be clear. Okay, all the lanes, only left turn can go no problem. And very good, whenever it's clear, you can go. Now we are going on the second route. Speed limit is 60. Follow the traffic. Whenever you make a right turn, keep it in the right lane. So one car space while stopping, check left, check right, and just follow the traffic like that. Make sure guys, move your head as much as you can. Look for the mirrors, 1 2 3 3 2 1, and every intersection check left right. Move your head. Okay, so move your head like that. Very good. And speed limit is 60. Okay, and now examiner will tell you make a lane change to the left. So signal, mirror and blind spot, and go easy like that. Okay, and whenever you reach on the lane, turn off the signal, check the rear view and the other right hand side mirror. Okay, so please keep it like that. Now examiner will tell you make a left turn from here and stop in the middle. So signal should be on, steering has to be straight. Look and clear the traffic. Okay, clear the traffic, don't do rush. Whenever you feel safe, you can go. Keep it like that. And if you don't see any speed sign, what's the speed? 50 km per hour. And crossing sign means it's a railway crossing, so please make sure it's 50. Check left right, move your head, and do not get slow. Don't go less than 50. Very good. Just, we are going straight, no traffic at all. Just check left right on every intersection. Make sure guys, check all the mirrors, check left right, check all the mirrors. Again, railway crossing is ahead. Check left right, and speed should not be slow. Okay, now examiner will tell you make a left turn from the traffic lights. Please give the signal, mirror and blind spot, and wait on your left corner. So whenever you stop on the red light, look to the intersection. Do not check the mirrors. Look for the intersection and check your light is green. Check left right. Whenever you make a left turn, keep it in the left lane. And speed limit is 60 here. So don't give the signal right away. Always give the signal. First match the speed. Go 55, 57, 58, and then go to the right. Signal, mirror, blind spot like that. Go to the right by yourself. Examiner will never ask you to go to the right. Okay? Perfect. Now examiner will tell you make a right turn from the traffic lights, signal, mirror, blind spot, and make sure guys, there's a tricky part here. Whenever you're making a right turn, just look for the left traffic and do not stop, because we don't have any yield sign here. So yield sign we don't have here, so make it 70, then give the signal, mirror and blind spot. Make sure we have a space as well. Okay, do not go close to the cars, and merge it carefully. I want merging on 70, please. Don't do it on 68. 70 means 70. You can go up to 72, that's fine. Now examiner will ask you, make a right turn from the traffic lights, signal, mirror and blind spot. Take it easy. Look for your all mirrors, and signal should be on, because we have not finished our right turn yet. And now you guys can see here, we have a yield sign here. Yeah. So left signal, check the mirror and blind spot. If nobody is coming, you can go. Okay. So keep it like that. Make a right turn from the traffic lights. My bad, not a traffic light, it's upcoming street. Yeah. So 40 speed limit here. So make sure guys, this over here is a zero tolerance. Don't go more than 40 or 41. Okay. You cannot go more than 41, please. Check left, right, look around. Okay. Do not just watch straight, look around. Keep it like that. Look around, check left, right. Look for your mirrors and keep going. If you see the cars are standing, like if the cars is parked on the right side, no problem, don't give any signal, just stay away from the cars and go in the middle and go back to the right when you clear the cars. Now examiner will tell you, make a right turn from the stop sign. So signal, mirror and blind spot, and make sure guys, one car space, please, one car space. Never go close to anyone. So guys, this is the only stop, means only for you. So make sure stop on the stop sign. If you don't see any line, stop parallel with the stop sign. Check left, right and go a little bit forward. Look for the traffic. If nobody is coming, make a right turn. Keep it in the right lane. If you are making a right turn, keep it in the right lane. Okay. Very good. And speed limit is 60 here. Again, we are making a right turn from the traffic lights. Signal, mirror and blind spot, and merge it very nicely. Easy guys. This is a very simple and easy test. And do not stop, because we don't have a yield sign here. Just look back and speed up to 70. Okay, 70, and then signal, mirror, blind spot and merge it carefully like that. And now examiner will ask you, lane change to the left, signal, mirror, blind spot, and take it easy. Take your time while changing lane. Take your time, 2-3 seconds. I need 2-3 seconds while going to the lane. Please don't do sharp lane change. Examiner will tell you, make a left turn, signal, mirror, blind spot, and easy. Take it easy like that. Perfect. Make sure you check left, right, all the mirrors, and one car space. Always. Make sure guys, safe distance. Okay. Safe distance. Signal should be on, because we have not finished our left turn yet. Okay. And over here they gave you the separate left signal, so don't get confused. Watch your light. Do not watch the mirrors here. Watch your light, please. Very good. Keep it like that. So over here is a little different. Lights works different here. We haven't, usually we get the left turn first, but over here, who is going straight, they will get the green first. So don't get confused here. Do not leave your brake pedal, please. If you leave the brake pedal, it's gonna be a problem. Don't do that. Very good. Watch your light. We are about to have a signal now. Now leave your gas pedal. Yeah, now leave your brake. Check left, right. Then make an easy turn. Don't do rush. Okay, examiners are very nice here. Don't do rush. Take it easy. Examiner will tell you make a left turn from the traffic lights, signal mirror and blind spot, and take it easy. Always get in from the beginning broken lines. Do not touch the white continuity lane. Please keep it like that. Sorry. Amazing. Just keep it like that. You're doing good. Examiner wants you to pass. Okay, whenever you see the left arrow, you can go. If your arrow is yellow, do not go. Okay, check left, right, and if you already cross the cross the line in yellow arrow, you can go, no problem. Okay, but if you see yellow arrow is gone, please do not make a turn. Wait in the middle, please. Now speed limit is 50 here. And whenever you go to any road over here, you will get the speed sign at the very beginning. Every road. So do not miss your speed signs. It's a very simple, no confusing, nothing at all. Check left, right, very good. Watch your lights. Okay, watch your lights, safe distance. And this is the exact same route. Please follow that. Check left, check right. And while driving, I need 2 car space. Please guys, while driving, I need 2 car space. Please note that. And if you have a traffic, don't worry. If you have a traffic, don't worry about the speed. Sorry. Just follow the traffic, take it easy. Check left, right, move your head as much as you can. Amazing. We are about to done the test here. So just follow the rules and regulations. But only make sure never make a left or right turn on the yellow light. Okay, never. Check left, right on every intersection. And you can see speed limit is 60 here. Very good. Again guys, railway crossing ahead. Check left, check right. Speed limit is 60. Don't go less than 60. Okay. We can go, we can try to keep your speed 58 to 60 or 61. That's fine. Check left, check right. If you don't have a stop sign, do not stop, please. Okay. Don't worry about the traffic. Nobody will come into your way. Check left, right on the railway crossing. Make sure guys, railway crossing is very important to check left, right. Okay. Now You have a 2 lanes. You can give the signal to the right and keep it in the right lane. And 1 car space, as we know already. Check left, check right. On every intersection, if someone is making a right turn, please slow down. Don't go close to the car. And now you can continue. Make a right turn from the upcoming. This is a entry of this plaza. So this is how you finish your test. Okay, you can go up to 25 to 30 kilometer over here. So don't go more than 30, please. Okay, and this is your test. Examiner will ask you, park your car in the front. So park over here, give the signal and park it over here like that. And examiner will tell you, get your license from inside and put it in parking. If examiner asks you turn off the car, please turn it off. Otherwise it's okay. Just listen to him and or her. Alright, thank you so much guys. Take it easy. Good luck.